Hello guys, welcome to Coding. Today we are going to discuss about the C, a basic project which is very important for as a freshers or else who upcoming the know about the language. So to comparing the strings to find the authentication login credentials. So it's a very simple. So why we late before going to the video? Please like this video.
Hello guys, welcome to Coding. Today we are going to discuss about the C programming uh, project. So to compare the two strings and evaluate username and password. If username and password both are matching, then we can give the access to the customer. In case if username and password are not matched, then denied. So this project is a very simple. Now we will see with the practically we get some idea. So for that I have to use Visual Studio. So here what I do here is, so I need to uh, first I need to declare a variable, declare a library which is useful to our project. So primarily slash include stdio.h, which is useful for the printf scanf functions work in my project. Printf scanf I need to run, so that I have to write this library. Now int main, I have to take int main. So any programming language start with main. So if I take a int, so compulsory I need to write a written 0. So then now we will see the login. So before that I have to declare the variables. So character type I have to take. So user will accept username. So 20 characters, comma, password. So simply I have to write pwd. Then I have to mention here 20 characters. So now what I do here is, then take a character char. So username array type I have to take, and username is ram, and char password equal to, so password always whether integer, character and special symbols, all these are contained, right? So I have to take password like this. So these are the string type. So when I have to declare like this username is the, so I have to tell them go to the memory and allocate the space for username, and this RAM dump into the username, and password folder or password memory, this Tulsi 123 which will goes inside password and store there. So now what I need to do here is, from user I have to ask the values. So printf /n please enter the user name. So through keyboard we have received the username, right? So that username I need to scan and percentile s and store somewhere address of what is that user, right? That user I need to specify. So here username getting the value from the keyboard and store in the address of user. So now again I have to fetch the value from the keyboard. Please enter password. Please enter the password. Okay. Then scanf. Printf, scanf, both are the functions in C language. Now what I do here is scanf don't need to /n percentile s. So this is, it is a string type, right? That's why I have to mention there. Then pwd. So now what happened? So both username and password I fetch and declared variable name as username and pwd, which will goes if the user ent username and user gives password, which will goes and respected values will be stored there. Now what I need to do here is, so I need to check. So for that I need to check the condition. So if condition I have to take, if there is a function is there, strcmp. This is the function which will check the username. So this username, user, comma, this username. Same username, only we have to pass the arguments equal to 0 and again strcmp. So now I have to pass password. This password, this pwd I have to pass here, comma, this pwd pass here. These two passwords equal to 0. So execute the file. So what is this line mean? Means strict strcmp is the function in C language which is from string library. So if I need to use this function, I need to import, I need to declare like a /include string.h. When I declare like this, then it will be accent. Now this username equal to 0 means, so this username, this is one name, and this password. So what I already saved password and what I get the password from the user through keyboard, username which I already saved as a ROM, then which will, and we will we will fetch the username through the keyboard. Both are equal to, both are equal. So then it will be execute, otherwise it won't be executed. So it will comes here and then printf slash n login successfully. Okay, else if it is not like that, that means if the username, declared username and fetched username through keyboard both are not equal, usernames any one is not equal. So if both are equal, this one and this one both are satisfied, then the execute in the block of the code. If both are not equal, then execute else block printf slash n oops oops. So it's didn't work, that didn't work. So then check your credentials and try again. So now we will run this code. Run this code. GCC file name auth.c. So this is a compile the file. So file is compiled, then execute the file. So please enter the username. I have to give Tulasi and so password 123. So oops, that didn't work. Check your credential and try again. So in case if I have to clear this console and run the code again, okay. If I give the username, what is the username? Ram. So I have to give Ram and enter. What is this? Get. So the term Ram is not recognized. Okay. Okay. See, run the clear the screen and then check once again. So okay, execute the file dot slash a dot exe. So please enter the username. So that username is Ram. So I have entered Ram and give. Then please enter the password. I have to enter Tulsi. Same password I need to enter here. Tulsi 123. Then enter. Then check login successfully. So this is a very fundamental, but it's a real time. So real time project also. So if you consider any React.js and Vue.js, so all the programming language, this is a very fundamental login concept. If you go through with any website, so there you can see the credentials will be there. So these logics will be through this logic, they will be achieve the uh, program, achieve the solution. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget for more videos to like this video. Don't forget, please like, subscribe and share for more C tutorials. Thank you so much for your valuable time.